If you notice on the screen, I have opened the Docker pgvector. Now let's select the database, right click the mouse. I'm creating a new database called AI Code with Harita, which is my channel name. Click save. And here the database name is successfully added to our database pgvector. Now right click the mouse, go to query tool. Now let's create a new table. This is just for the time saving. I have created, I have pasted here. When I try to execute, notice here I got a message called error type vector does not exist. The reason, whenever we created a new database in Docker pgvector, we need to enable the extension, and the command is create extension if not exist vector semicolon. Now let's execute. See, created the extension. Now let's create a table. See, the query table is successfully created. Let's check the schemas. Under schemas, we have a tables folder. Right click and see here our table has been successfully created. Documents. The SQL database, vector database, RAG systems from beginners to advanced level. This is my blog. In this blog, I have a 250 SQL practice questions free download. If you check, come to the bottom here and notice here there is a small quiz here. Which statement deletes specific rows? So delete. And if you want to download the PDF, the 25 most asked SQL questions are there. Once you pass and get score 80% to unlock the PDF, which contains the real-time scenario interview questions, which are completely free. So here the most important point we have to remember, whenever we create a new database in pgvector and Docker, we need to enable the pgvector extension. Then only we can create a new table successfully. That's it. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment.